Hey, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how I will make it to Hollywood. And what I mean is, like, I'll just be discussing on how I will and stuff. I mean, I'm not talking about the plan. I'm just talking about, like, how I will be making it there. People always think, oh, hey, you can't make it, you can't make it, you can't make it. But now I'm actually getting noticed for my talents by celebrities and stuff. And a lot of times people still think I can't make it, and people are always underestimating me, saying, "Oh, be realistic and stuff." But this is what I want to do, so there is no backup plan. I might do classes involving a backup plan, but I'm not gonna take time out of my main plan to do the backup plan because the people that really get famous are the ones that put their minds to it. Whether they put their minds into the ideas, or they get the connections, or like, people don't just become famous. I mean, I've become popular on social media, and that wasn't easy, but it takes time, and I'm willing to take the time to get on Hollywood. And I've been trying to do it through social media because that's the best place to do it, instead of like auditioning somewhere. Because if you go viral on social media, people are gonna want you right there and then. You'll have people going to you. So yeah, I mean, people can underestimate me all they want to and think, oh, hey, he can't make it. But ever since I've been doing all my talents, people think I actually can make it. So, like, I know I failed in some of my attempts to get into plays and stuff, and teams and whatever, but that doesn't mean I can't make it. And just because I'm autistic doesn't mean I can't make it. And if you think that, that's ableism, because you're just saying because of my special needs I can't make it to where I want to get to in my life. So I will make it to Hollywood, whether it's by being a producer, an actor, a reality TV star, a rapper. I will make it. I'll make it in the game somehow. And I'll eventually either make music or be on TV, because that's what I want to do with my life. And I don't want nobody trying to make me do something I don't want to do. I want to do what I want to do. Those are the people that make it there, that do what they want to do, not what other people want them to do. Those are the people that became musically stars, wanted to become musically stars. And most of the people that became viral, and I'm not talking about in those viral videos, I'm talking about when they put their time into it, they wanted to be famous. They wanted to get there, and you see my point. So if I want to do it, I will do it. I will make it to Hollywood. And I am determined. So don't give up on anything you want to do, because there will be those people that are trying to hate on you, bring you down, trying to act supportive partly but aren't fully there. Just don't listen to the negative stuff they had to say, because those are the people that say, "Oh, I might be cool, but I know I'll never make it to Hollywood." So they just try to bring you down instead of admitting to their own flaws. And I know I got talent because I've always been an entertainer. I mean, I haven't always like done a lot of dancing and stuff, but actually I did school dances, but I'm an entertainer. I'm meant to be an entertainer. I've had cameras on me before for my entertainment. I've had I've had I've had posts that are almost gone viral. So yeah, I know what I'm talking about. I mean, I haven't reached no million views yet, but I can make it. I can make it in the game. So yeah, I'm determined, and I will do it. Use this as motivation, people. If you want to make it to Hollywood, or you want to do something with your life, use this as determination. Because I've had haters, I've had people hate on me, try to ruin my life. But, at the end of the day, and all those people that badmouth me, but at the end of the day, you gotta be positive. You gotta do what you want to do. And you gotta be successful at what you want to do. Don't let the haters get to you, and be a positive person. So yeah, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below what you thought. Spread the word and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.